In Lesson 3, we explored the magic of the camera obscura, a tool that could project life in perfect detail, but only for as long as the light lasted. Now, in the early 19th century, humanity stood on the edge of a breakthrough, making those fleeting images permanent. The question was simple but profound. If light can project an image, can it also fix it, capture it, hold it forever? This challenge drew inventors and scientists from across Europe, each racing to unlock the secret. One of the first to succeed was Joseph Nicéphore Niépce, a French inventor in the 1820s. Niépce coated a pewter plate with a light-sensitive substance called bitumen of Judea, he placed. This plate inside a modified camera obscura and left it exposed for hours. When he washed the plate, something extraordinary appeared. A faint, grainy image of the view outside his window. This became known as the world's first permanent photograph. The view from the window at La Grasse, taken in 1826 or 1827, Niépce's process. Called heliography, meaning sun drawing, was revolutionary, but it had limitations. The exposure time could be as long as 8 hours or more, and the images lacked sharpness, but his work inspired others under Louis Daguerre, Niépce's partner, who refined the process after Niépce's death. By 1839, Daguerre announced the daguerreotype, a method using silver-plated copper polish to a mirror finish, treated with iodine vapors to make it light-sensitive. The result? Incredibly detailed images captured in minutes instead of hours. This was the moment photography truly stepped into public life. The world was stunned for the first time. Reality could be frozen in time, not as a painted interpretation, but as it truly was. Portrait studios sprang up, streets, buildings, and landscapes were recorded for history. Photography had leapt from theory to tangible reality. This was the birth of permanent photography, the moment when light became memory, and from here, the pace of innovation would only accelerate, reshaping how humans saw themselves and the world. Follow and watch Lesson 5.